Hello friends, welcome to Nandi. Here comes a small test for you guys based on your June 7th current affairs. On that day, we have discussed about the gross domestic product. So let's have a small question on it. Consider the following statements. Yes, do you guys know the definition of the GDP? Then GDP is the measure of economic growth. Yes, this is obviously correct. But the question you can see here, which of the statements given above are incorrect? Yes, the question is about the incorrect. So first statement is correct. So wherever the option A is there, you just mark into. This is called elimination process. So next, go with the second option. The total value of a country's annual output of goods only. Here comes your first step for any competitive exams, that whenever there is a word only in your question, be little cautious and go through that statement once again. See here, what was the definition of the GDP? It includes the total value of a country's annual output of goods and also services. Yes or no? So here, this statement is wrong. So the question is about the incorrect statement itself. So second one is the wrong statement. We do not have any other option. So here comes your answer. No need to go through the third statement when you got the answer. This is a way you can manage time in your most of the competitive exams, and it's not necessary to read each and every statement in your option if you already know the answer. I already gave you a certain information about the BIMSTIC on June 7th current affairs. Please, I'll mention the link in the description box. So you just go and read once again if you do not know about it. So in BIMSTIC, it includes 7 nations, okay, and it includes only from South Asia. Whenever there is a only, I already told you in the previous slide itself that you have to be a little cautious. BIMSTEC consists of not only South Asia, it also consists of Southeast Asia, and I mentioned in that video that under Southeast Asia it comes Myanmar and Thailand. The remaining countries are from South Asia. Yes, so this statement is wrong. So which of the above statements are correct? Now the question is about the correct. So first statement is wrong. So just eliminate where the option 1 is there. So only now 2 options are there. In these 2 options you can find that 3 is commonly mentioned. Yes, so you have to believe that 3 is true. So just read about the second statement now. This is the way how you do the elimination process in most of the competitive exams to save time, because time management is much more important. Maldives played a crucial role in BIMSTEC. I already told in that video that Maldives is not part of your BIMSTEC. It was Myanmar, and Maldives and Pakistan, both countries are not there in BIMSTEC. So this is also wrong. So which of the following are correct? So 2 is wrong. The remaining option is only 3. So the answer is 3. This is completely factual based question, and definitely you have, there is no elimination process or guess here. So recently the mosque at Ayodhya was named after which of the following 1857 revolts? If you gone through the June 7th current affairs, which I told you, it was Ahmadullah Shah. Yes, all these 4 persons which I mentioned belongs to 1857 revolt itself. So sometimes UPSC may ask such questions, and particularly regarding your state service exams.